How to download 8-ball pool in Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download 8-ball pool in Mac. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for 8-ball pool download for Mac. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the web catalog.io link, which is the second option. You will then see the option for install on web catalog desktop. Tap on that. In the pop-up window that appears, tap on web catalog desktop option. You will now see the option for download for Mac OS. Tap on that and wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, launch the application. You can easily find the downloaded files in your Downloads tab on your Mac. So go ahead and open the Download tabs and locate the file you just downloaded. Now, in the pop-up that appears, slide the Web Catalog option to Applications and further open Web Catalog. You will then be asked to sign in to Web Catalog, so go ahead and tap on the Continue in Browser button and further sign yourself in using your Google account, your Apple account, GitHub account, or you can also simply sign in by continuing with your email. Once you are signed in, tap on the Open the Web Catalog app button and in your left side toolbar you will see the Games tab. Tap on that and further tap on the search bar and search for 8-ball pool. You will then see the option for 8-ball pool, so tap on the install button below 8-ball pool and wait for the download to complete. Once completed, tap on open and with this, as you can see, 8-ball pool has been successfully downloaded on your Mac and you can now enjoy 8-ball pool in your Mac. So this is how you can download 8-ball pool in Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.